Welcome to DIY Creations, your very own go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of bamboo crafts. Bamboo is a versatile and sustainable material that can be used to create a wide range of amazing projects, from home decor to furniture and beyond. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or just starting out, there is something for everyone to enjoy in the world of bamboo crafting. Let's explore some amazing crafts you can make with bamboo. The first one is bamboo wind chimes. Create beautiful wind chimes by cutting bamboo into different lengths and stringing them together with twine or fishing line. Add decorative elements like beads or shells for extra flair. Then hang your wind chimes outdoor to enjoy the soothing sound of nature. Next is bamboo planters. Turn bamboo poles into stylish planters for your indoor or outdoor plants. Simply cut the bamboo to your desired height, line the inside with plastic or waterproof sealant, and fill with soil and your favorite plants. These unique planters will add a touch of natural beauty to any space. Next thing is bamboo lantern. Transform bamboo into rustic lanterns to light up your outdoor gathering. Cut bamboo poles into varying heights, then remove the inner nodes to create opening for candles or LED lights. Hang your lanterns from trees or place them on table for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. And next is bamboo utensil holder. Keep your kitchen organized with a handmade bamboo utensil holder. Cut bamboo poles to the desired size and secure them together with twine or glue. Use smaller pieces of bamboo as divider to keep your utensils neatly separated. This eco-friendly holder will add a touch of natural charm to your countertop. Next is bamboo wall art. Get creative with bamboo slices to make stunning wall art. Cut bamboo into thin slices and arrange them in patterns or designs on a wooden board. Secure the slices in place with glue. Then hang your unique creation on the wall for a striking focal point. These are just a few ideas to spark your imagination and get you started on your bamboo crafting journey. With its natural beauty and versatility, bamboo is the perfect material for crafting one of a kind craft that will impress friends and family. Enjoy your crafting and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations for more inspiring videos.